Locking your card on Varo is a simple process that can help protect your account if your card is lost or stolen. Follow these steps to quickly lock your card. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to the card section. Once you are in the app, look for the section that displays your card information. This is usually found on the home screen or in the account settings menu. Step 3. Select Lock Card. In the card section, you should see an option to lock your card. Tap on this option to proceed with locking your card. Step 4. Confirm the action. After selecting Lock Card, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm that you want to lock your card. Step 5. Check status. Once your card is locked, you can check the status in the same card section. It should indicate that your card is locked, ensuring that no transactions can be made until you unlock it. By following these steps, you can easily lock your Varo card whenever necessary. Remember to unlock it when you find your card or if you need to use it again.